Hi there! If you're finding yourself in a situation where the Reels draft option is playing hide and seek on your Instagram, then worry no more as this is a common hiccup and we've got a few tricks to troubleshoot. First things first, make sure you've got the latest scoop on your Instagram app. Just hop over to the Google Play Store or the App Store depending on your device, check if there's any fresh update for Instagram. If there is, go ahead and hit the install button. It's like giving your app a little refresh, and this quick update might just be the trick to sort things out and keep your Instagram game strong. Now, if the drop option is still not showing up, then try logging out from your Instagram account and then logging back in. This simple action can often fix the issue. Another trick is to give your device a restart. Turning it off and on again can work wonders. It might sound simple, but trust me, it works wonders. So if you're encountering any hiccups, a quick restart could be the secret sauce of getting everything back on track. If the drop option is still not cooperating, it might be time for a bolder move. Uninstall the Instagram app and wait a bit and then reinstall it again. This kind of digital cleanup can often sort out these glitches. After these steps, check if the Reel Drops option has decided to make an appearance. If the issue persists, feel free to reach out to Instagram support for some extra help. Now, if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in the future, feel free to drop a comment below. For a regular dose of useful insights and tutorials, hit that subscribe button.